Alright, assembly video number 2 for the JumpTek Canadian Tire trampoline thing. Doesn't matter if you got an 8, a 12, or 15 footer, this is how you put the thing on. Once you got the frame assembled, if you don't know how to do that, check my first video. Lay this trampoline mat out, fold it out in the middle of the trampoline. Then you want to find this guy right here. There's one loop that'll be a different color from the rest, okay? Make sure that you got that one, and make sure that all the little stitching and stuff is on the bottom. You don't want to see anything up top here. All right, that's the thing that holds these little straps down. That goes on the bottom. The instruction labels go on top. Then, once you got it here, kind of just eyeball it. Notice this kind of right between, this is a 5 or 12 footer. We'll put that one about center on one of the rings between these two. Doesn't matter where, you can put it all the way around. What matters is you do it in order here, so I'll show you what that means. So then look in your instruction manual for how many springs and loops there are in your trampoline. The 12 footer has 72. So once you have it in the middle and you got this first one kind of hooked on here, you want to count half of that around. So this is number 1. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 all the way around until you get to half of 72, which is 36, which should also line up with the other instruction label. And then you put that on there. All right, so the number 1 is the one that has the colored loop on it. That's number 1. Wrap her around half of whatever the number of springs are, put that one in. Then try to do the same thing parallel. Half of that and half of that. Then do half of that. Keep dividing it in half. And then keep putting springs on, maybe 2 or 3 here, 2 or 3 on the other side, 2 or 3 here, 2 or 3 on the other side. But once you have maybe 10 springs or so in, do a quick count. So I've got a spring there, and then, okay, that spring will go there, that spring will go there. Just make sure everything all lines up when you go around. But as long as you get that first step there, get the one with the orange tab on, count half the number of springs, add that on, then do that, do the same thing around, you should be good to go.